Okay, here's the recap for 4/17/2019. Um, I'd mentioned in my earlier video pre-market that I thought that they would make a move pre-market um, over this volume node to get it up and over, and they certainly ran it up. This blue line is the start of the session at 7:30. So they definitely got it up and over pre-market before the market started trading. Some nice symmetry right here. Nice equal moves the whole way up. Did not expect when the market opened to sell like this, but you can see that the levels were trying to hold as it came down, but man, it was just too much for the buyers on the way down. There was some actual volume in the market this morning, a lot more than we've seen in the last couple of days. You can see that these levels actually, the symmetry of it, I probably just screwed that up, but let me fix that. You can see that it basically traded right down to the perfect little levels, kind of a very nice little level symmetry. This wave kind of worked all the way, I think, through the pattern here. So if we measure this guy again, nice same size move, and you eventually got a 100% range extension all the way down to the bottom of that move. You can see that it matched up perfectly right here, and again right up to the top. And I have no idea if this one matches, but couldn't quite make it there, but pretty close. I had told in the morning video that getting under the 2909 area, which I marked off here in the blue, would show some real market weakness. Did not expect to get here, but sure enough, it tried to hold here for 1 second and then fell through, and you can see that it just hasn't been able to get back up above that area. So definitely showing some weakness. The delta got pretty flat right down here, and I was thinking that they were going to run it back up right at this point. You can see that they certainly made a try of it. You know, you have a divergence on the delta and the price action, but just couldn't defeat that 2909 level, and it basically fell back at this point. I think that they'll probably want to try and get this market back above here in the last hour, above this 2909 area. It's looking pretty weak, but you can see we've made a pretty good volume node right here, and we're pretty much in the eye of the storm. So they're going to need to push pretty hard against the sellers to get it up and over. I got ran over a little bit in here, so had a kind of a tough day. But you can see after the major selling was done that you know, it kind of ran up into the lines, and the lines were kind of holding on each direction, and pretty much playing out. You can see they tried to even bounce it right here, fell right through, back down to the line again, trading on each side of the line. You know, support and resistance, right, all the way through. So, but that's about it, and we'll do a chart review later.